Trying to get your corner shower base perfect without turning it into a total mess is way trickier than it looks. So, when you're working on your shower pan or base, remember that prepping the surface is key. Start by cleaning out all the dust and debris so nothing gets in the way of your mortar or self-leveler bonding properly. Since your base has those line supports and gaps underneath, a regular mortar bed might not sit right, which is why it felt like stepping on sand. Instead, before mixing mortar, try using a bonding agent to help it stick better, or consider a pre-formed shower pan that fits snugly without gaps. When you pour self-leveling compound, pour slowly and use a straight edge or trowel right after to push the material into those dips so it spreads evenly. If you notice slight dips after drying, like you did with that 1/16 to 1/8 inch dip, applying a second thin layer can help smooth it out perfectly. Always dry fit your pan or base after each layer dries so you can catch any uneven spots early. Patience is huge here because rushing can lead to cracking or sinking areas later. And don't step on the base until everything is fully cured. Trust me, it doesn't help. One of the biggest issues people run into with shower bases is uneven surfaces caused by improper prep or gaps under the base, which leads to that shaky, sandy feeling underfoot. Fix this by cleaning and maybe using a bonding agent first. Another common mistake is pouring self-leveler too fast or not using a straight edge to spread it evenly, resulting in low spots. Take your time and tool it out as you pour. Lastly, skipping the dry fit step after each layer is a no-go, because that's how you miss dips that can cause water pooling or structural problems later. Always check and adjust before moving on. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid go-to for homeowners who want to find legit local contractors who actually know what they're doing with projects like shower bases. It also helps contractors connect with real work opportunities, making sure everyone gets matched up right without the usual headaches.